Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2013 Volvo C70. This Volvo is powered by front-wheel drive i5 engine, automatic transmission, and has 33,689 miles. Discover luxury and style with this 2013 Volvo C70 convertible. Enjoy a smooth ride, premium features, and a retractable hardtop. Perfect for sunny drives or weekend getaways. Don't miss out on this stunning vehicle. Test drive today. This pre-owned C70 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Volvo C70 is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.